Hey guys, so today we're going to mess around with BabyFoot. Now BabyFoot is a product from Japan that helps you exfoliate your feet, which means it takes off all the disgusting dead skin cells and heals your cracked heel, and hopefully wears out your calluses as well while at it. I am not a fan of foot filing or razors because it seems really savage. In each pack, there are 2 boots filled with a blend of fruit acids, and what this does is that it breaks up the dead skin layers on your foot without affecting the healthy layers, and over a course of a week, you should be shedding like a snake to reveal brand new baby smooth feet. Now the pack comes with stickers for you to tape the little plastic boot in place. I will give you guys a heads up that it smells exactly like very strong vodka from your younger years of hectic partying. However, since we have lived through that, we will live through this just fine for the sake of super smooth feet. When I'm wearing the boot, I like to wiggle my toes and really massage the acid in just to make sure it gets everywhere on my feet. It does not hurt, although you can do a patch test if you want. I recommend a patch test, but obviously I just kind of went ahead because I was so excited and nothing bad happened. But yeah, you can do a patch test first. But I discovered this since we've been in Tokyo, and this contains 16 natural extracts which exfoliate and moisturize at the same time. TLDR, basically lots of fruit acid that is not too harmful but actually helps separate layers of dead skin from your baby soft skin underneath, and this causes it to fall out after it penetrates, and the skin peels away to the undamaged fresh layer underneath. So because these boots are super slippery, I'm pulling a pair of socks over it, and also to make it even more snug so that the acid really soaks into my feet. Again, this is the patch test pack if you want a patch test before you start on your BabyFoot journey. Now we leave it on for an hour, and during which you can do your nails, watch a Netflix show. Time should pass pretty fast before you can remove your booties again. I am taking off my boots now, and my feet look exactly the same, just slimy, but we'll be giving them a wash and results are not immediate. So we'll see how this goes over the next few days. I just want to add that your feet do not feel tender at all during this process. Unless you have sensitive skin, again, please do the patch test if you do. Now this is day 3, where my feet have developed lots of crack lines and feel really weird. It feels as if there's a skin suit on my feet, if that makes any sense. You can kind of feel the dead skin dislodging from the healthy skin. The instructions say not to pick at it, so it was very hard, but I did not pick at it. It is worth it because this is what happens next. This was after about 6 days. For some people it works faster, for some people it works slower. It looks disgusting and feels so satisfying as your feet just shed all that gross dead skin. And as you can see, the cracks on my feet are now beginning to slowly get more shallow. which is extremely exciting because I've lived with them for a few years. I would like to just say that you should be wearing socks around the house during this process, because if not, your room gets really gross and filled with little particles of skin and dust. It can be quite horrific when you wake up in the morning, so again, I highly recommend wearing socks during this whole time. Okay, next we're going to take a look at what happens after 8 days, and almost all of the skin has peeled off and I am left with extremely soft, baby smooth feet, which is amazing and so exciting. As you can see, there are still some tiny little bits that haven't fallen off, but I'm really not going to try and rush the process and just wait for it to take its time. At this point, I expected to feel a bit tender, but surprisingly I did not. My feet felt perfectly normal, except they looked entirely brand new. I was over the moon about this, and obviously now I'm worried about keeping them in shape by moisturizing daily. You can see that the cracks on my toes are entirely gone. You can see that I used to have really thick calluses, but now they're all gone, which is extremely mind-blowing. The whole process just took about 10 days, and I was left with brand new feet. So if you want to give it a punt, I've put the link down below. And that was my review of BabyFoot. Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe and like the page for more interesting experiences or recipes or music. This is Ikigaijin. See you soon.